Yeah, more than that. Oh, we got about 5 feet up here. Yeah, every car in the parking lot here is buried. Okay. Okay, all right, no problem. Okay, all right, bye-bye.
They believe you?
Huh?
Said they believe you?
Yeah. Still said 90 still closed.
Oh, yeah.
All the way to Myrtle.
Wow. I just know next town over. I can't even get home.
For real?
Yeah. Roads are all closed.
Yeah. That one little thing they got to do cleaning the road down there ain't enough.
No. I just weren't prepared for it.